Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got my experience to tell you, and it's all about the Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, a tablet that has been making waves for its affordability and fantastic features. But before you rush out to buy one, I want to share my recent experience, and believe me, it's a tale of twists and turns you won't want to miss. You've definitely heard of Xiaomi, the brand that's all about giving you the most bang for your hard-earned buck, and the tablets of the Xiaomi are like the superheroes of the tech world, balancing incredible affordability with a feature-packed punch that'll leave you awestruck. The Android operating systems, dressed up in Xiaomi's snazzy MIUI interface, and jam-packed with a treasure trove of features designed to make your workdays smoother and your downtime a blast. But wait, there's more. We're not just talking about any Xiaomi tablet, we're talking about the Xiaomi Pad 6 series, and it's been on everyone's tech radar for quite some time now. Why, you ask? Well, it's not just a tablet, it's a game changer. It's the biggest Xiaomi tablet series to date, and it's armed to the teeth with specs that are ready to tackle even the heaviest of workloads. Because of this, I couldn't resist the allure of the Xiaomi Pad 6 series, and I just had to get my hands on one. After hitting that order button for Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, I finally received it on September 22, 2023. And I was ready to embark on a thrilling tech adventure. Until September 30th, it was like a match made in tech heaven. I was cruising through tasks, loving the tablet's performance, and thinking I'd struck gold. But hold on, here's where it gets disturbing. After just few days, while I was watching videos on YouTube, suddenly, boom, the screen went all pixelated and glitchy. I tried to restart the program and launch the app again. After some effort, the YouTube app worked again. But the most irony thing started from that day. I faced a lot of delay and hang in launching different applications. After experiencing such trouble, I contacted the seller. I told him about the problem, and I applied for a replacement. Thankfully, they were quick to respond, and the replacement process was smoother than butter. As of now, I'm still in the process of waiting for the replacement to arrive. While I appreciate the seller's prompt response, it's been a bit inconvenient not having a functioning tablet during this time. I'm eagerly anticipating the arrival of the new one, hoping that this time everything goes smoothly. So, why am I sharing this experience with you all? Well, I believe in transparency and providing you with valuable insights. While I can't conclude that all Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro tablets have this issue, my experience has shown that it's a possibility. Before purchasing any electronic device, it's essential to do your research, read reviews, and be aware of potential glitches or problems that others might have encountered. While Xiaomi has a reputation for offering great products at competitive prices, no brand is immune to occasional hiccups. If you're still interested in the Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, I'd suggest checking for recent reviews and user experiences to see if this issue persists or if it's just an isolated case like mine. In the end, the decision is yours, but I wanted to make sure you're well informed before making a significant purchase like a tablet. I'll keep you updated on how the replacement process goes, so be sure to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, make informed choices when it comes to your tech gadgets. Until next time, take care.